going, guys? And welcome back. And can you guess where I'm at? Can you guess? Yes, you know where we're at. We're going in the water. And actually the day is beautiful. It's cold though. It's like 68 degrees. But today we decided it's kind of 1 or 2 outside chop. So we're gonna go ahead and test our luck fishing. So let's go with the show. So we're gonna get down here at the gas station and grab some bait because we got nothing. Yes. All right, we got. Whoa, we don't got the little boxes of squid. Yeah. Squid. Let me see. This, and I'm gonna get a little bit of shrimp just in case we get happy.
The snapper.
And what is this? Oh, you know what, I don't like this anyway. I'm gonna go for the silver side.
This is cool to see the Miami-Dade fireboat here at Haulover Sandbar, but they're always here because they're always ready to help out in a time of need. Thank you guys for your service.
case you guys don't know, yep, that's the boat rally. This is June coming up. So go check it out. And if you like it, sign up before it's too late. And by the way, I'd like to thank the Miami-Dade Fire Department. They gave me this shirt, Station 48. Thank you guys for watching the channel, and thank you for sending me the shirt. And hopefully it brings me good luck, because today is it's a pretty day, like you guys can see out here. And we came to go do some fishing, some afternoon fishing. And hopefully we get lucky. And if it does, it's gonna be the lucky shirt. So thank you guys again. Station 48, Miami-Dade Fire Department. Thank you guys. So let's go.
To the front. Throw to the front. Throw to the front. Okay, not forward. I'm gonna come up to the front.
Like how?
And then once again, I have to say it, saved again by the icing glass, because it is 68 degrees here in Miami, and for us Miamians, it's freezing weather. So check it out. It's all closed up, so there's no wind in here, right? And look what she's doing already. She's a real fisherman. We just got here and look what happened. So we're still setting up.
I'm going.
Oh, Big Mama's on, Big Mama's on.
Just a little ronco.
Oh, come on now.
First rock of the day.
If it's a ronco,
Let me see what
It's
you
good
got.
luck. It's good luck.
What you got? What you got?
it's a ronco.
Come on. We're waiting. Oh my goodness gracious.
Wow. I know.
A grunt.
Always the first one to catch a fish.
Yeah, that's true.
The biggest
But it happens to be a grunt. Oh, Joel's on.
I watch him catch me right now.
It's funny on the ground with your mouth.
What you got, buddy?
fryer now.
No, nothing, no grunts, nothing little.
Look what it is.
Oh my goodness, throw that back. Been out here for like an hour, no luck, nothing but grunts. And I don't know if you guys can see, the chop picked up. Now it's like 2 to 3. From a flat day, it went to 2 to 3. So I don't know. Maybe it's luck or no luck. I just kind of grunt right here. A little grunt that I'm not gonna keep right there. I don't want to keep that grunt. And then luckily, Pepita is sleeping. If not, she want to keep it. Nah, no grunts.
Fighting. That's a good one. I told you. Grouper.
Go get the net,
Get the net. Joe, get the net. Now watch out for your feet. Watch your legs. Watch your legs.
get the net.
Good one. What is it?
I don't know, it's good though.
Oh, that one's fighting.
Oh, yeah.
Mom, we got a big fish.
It's a good one.
Oh, damn.
Coming up, you see?
I don't see anything.
Yes, I saw it. Well, I think it's a kingfish.
No way.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at this hugger!
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Oh! Mom! Oh my God!
Look at this.
Wow, look at this thing! The biggest hogfish ever! Hopefully it's not close season.
Oh my god, if it's close season,
Hold
I
on.
swear to God.
And guess what, guys? Yep, it is closed season for codfish. And there's a limit too. So be careful and make sure you guys check your regulations. So we threw her back and actually started heading in, because the 2 to 3 turned out to be 4 to 5. So that's a little wavy for us.
so we had to calm in because it was too rough, and even me started to feel kind of funny. So now it's time to get that lunch. What's for lunch? No sausages today. Something quick. What we're making?
Sandwiches.
What you making, girl? Sandwiches. All right, let me show you what is this? When you buy that? Oh, okay. So all kinds of meats. Wow, okay. Oh, all kinds of stuff, I guess. No barbecue today. Just sandwiches.
Didn't I take the thing with the plates?
Check this out. Look at her. Look. Look at her.
What do you want on yours?
Look at him.
Mommy, I want my first.
Pepperoni, Gabriela,
Hey, look at my first mate. Look what he do.
Pepperoni.
See, that's what I say. We're not true fishermen. We're just hobbyists. Hobbyist fishermen. I don't know. Yeah. So I guess we winded up here at the sandbar. And it is, remember, it's in the 60s in Florida. So people are here hanging out. I guess just like us. Friend Dewey showed up at the sandbar, and he bought a new friend, his new dog Max. Let's see how he gets along with Yuli. Now, is he cute or what? But my only question is, he's only 4 months old. So he's gonna be huge. And with a huge dog comes with huge you know what. But Gabby loved him. But I didn't want to keep him on my boat too long just in case an accident happened. If you know what type of accident I'm talking about. But we're gonna hang out here at the sandbar and enjoy the cool breeze and sightsee because the water is too cold to get in. At least for us it is. Alright guys, just to let you know, there's gonna be a part 2 to this day, because from here we decided to go a little cruise by the Intracoastal and sightsee and did a little bit of fishing. So stay tuned for part 2, but now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a shout out.
once again, thank you guys for your comments, and I just randomly picked them. So also, remember, stay tuned for part 2.